Teaching, teaching, teaching to you. It's physics, it's physics, it's physics. So I'm teaching vectors to you. You add them, you add them, you add them up in the x and the y dimensions. You're learning 2D motion. To find the magnitude of a bunch of vectors, get all the x's of each one together, add them all up and you get the total x value. Do the same thing to the y's of the vectors. Then you take the sums of each one to the second power, and you take the square root of the sum of the squares. It's so easy. If the components of the resultant are at an angle, then the x is equal to the cosine of the angle multiplied by the x's magnitude. The y is its magnitude times the sine. 2D motion. First you break it into its components, then you do some algebra and trigonometry. You just solve the vector's total magnitude. Magnitude, teaching, teaching, teaching to you. It's physics, it's physics, it's physics. So I'm teaching vectors to you. You add them, you add them, you add them up in the x and the y dimensions. You're learning 2D motion. Both vectors and scalars have a magnitude, but vectors have a specific direction. They're similar but not the same. That's a fact, never questioned. You just learned a lesson. Vectors include momentum, force, and displacement, not scalars. Scalars instead are one, mass, and temperature. Vectors are drawn as arrows. You add them tip to tail. Never do this different or you've learned nothing. Projectile motion is parabolic, no y'all can learn it. It's only affected by gravity and can be looked at as two separate motions if there's no air resistant. The constant in x is velocity, y is gravity. 2D motion. First you break it into its components, then you do some algebra and trigonometry. You just solve the vector's total magnitude. Magnitude, teaching, teaching, teaching to you. It's physics, it's physics, it's physics. So I'm teaching vectors to you. You add them, you add them, you add them up in the x and the y dimensions. You're learning 2D motion.